This is my pinhole camera for Mr. Cutter's class that I decided to make for my science project, and it is a tiny matchbox with two film canisters, and the film is in here and it winds through the matchbox and goes into here, and we have a shutter, and when you open it, light shines through a tiny hole and it gets exposed to the film, and it creates a picture on the film. So we're out on Capitola Wharf and we are taking pictures with my pinhole camera, and we're trying exposures from 2 to 4 seconds to see what type of pictures we'll get. We have just finished taking pictures with the camera and we are going to go down and get the film developed. But first we are going to rewind the film and take it out so you can see how everything fits together. There are 8 holes per exposure, and so this little plastic piece of a spiral-bound binder we aligned to the holes so we can hear clicks. So once we have heard 8 clicks, we know that it's a new exposure. This canister was the temporary canister that would receive the film, and we attached the new film to a piece of old film. So this one would receive it. And then there is the inside of the matchbox, this piece, so that when we lift the shutter, this keeps the film flat, so the picture is straight. And the shutter, if you lift that up, then there's the pinhole, which is a small hole punched into a piece of an aluminum can, which we taped to the front of the matchbox. If you're wondering why everything was black, it is to control the exposure to the film, and it blocks out light that we don't want seeping through the sides so that we just get the picture we want. Let's go get this film developed. Right now the film is being developed at the store, but here is something that I would like to point out. This is a film camera, which is called a negative. But here is another camera that I have made, and this is my other camera, and it works like the other one where it is black on the inside and you have a shutter and light shines through a hole and goes into the inside. Except instead of film, you use photographic paper. And when light gets exposed to the photographic paper, it makes a negative paper. And then you can press that against another piece of paper and shine light on that to make a positive paper or a regular photo that you're used to seeing. Another thing is that you can only insert one piece of photographic paper in at a time. So you'd insert the piece of paper and then you'd put on a black lid so that no light shines through.